Now guys, let's see where we can mount the Chigee. Even kijken. First, this one. Let's just have a look. Careful. Over here. Could go over there, but over here. So, and then here. Oh. So, guys, I think this is good. So it's nice, high, so you don't have to bend your head down to see your route software, Google Maps. Well, let's give this one a try. Let's see, then. Okay, this bar is 22, ladies and gentlemen. Is this right for 22? I don't know. No, don't think so. Normally, guys, you can mount it over here, but I don't like that. It's in the way. And over here, my bar goes, this is tapered. No, I think it fits, and then I can put that one back again, more, hopefully. Let's see if I have enough space now. Maybe tomorrow. This out of the way for a moment to fiddle it in here, as that is for me the best place. Okay, let's see, guys, this one. Okay, then it goes a bit. Let's see what that is. That's, I think, yeah, this one. Yep. Okay, so, yes, it's just that I can fiddle a bit around. Just for fun, maybe tomorrow, just take it off for now. Yeah, carefully, I don't drop my mirror. See, whoop. Drop a tiny washer. Yes, oh. Mirror out of the way. Then we have this one. And this one. Let's see, wait a minute. There was this. Yes. This, watch, has this edge ridge thing. It goes into there. Wait a minute. Something like this. Oh, filthy. Something like this. Or the other way around. Yes, I think the other way around. Like this. I really like this fiddling. Okay. Let's see if it is. Yes, that's it. That looks nice. Oh, no, old mechanic. Now guys, we got the bolt in here. Bold and beautiful. Okay, what now? This one did a bit tight. Then a bit over here. More. Still, yeah. Then we put back my mirror. Mirror on the wall. Okay. Something like this. Okay. Yes. It is free. Free to go. Yes. So, I'm gonna place this for now. Back on here. This. Die zit daar vast. Dan die nog. Just for now, hè. Okay. Yes. Even feel how it sits. There is this thing, a plastic thing over there, and this needs to go in a tiny bit. Wait a minute, here to here. Okay. Not too tight, eh? It's all aluminium, and before you know, you have a problem, Houston. You strip the thread. then so this one, make it tiny bit over here. Like this. Now guys, oh, oops, yes, it's my two balls, this aluminium, that's good. Then, okay. Now, just a few threads in, hopefully, so like this, hopefully I can put this one, yes. Yeah, so. Hey, friends. Okay. So. Okay. Oh, now guys, let's see. I think it's on a good position. It's right in my view. And this is there. Let's see. Yeah. I think it's good. Yeah, it's nice. You can mount the loom like this. Nicely. Hop, 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 like this. Now guys, this is the way I mounted the Chigee. Watch, over there is my mirror. Then we go to this side. So, and wait a minute, here you can see that it's just free. From my reservoir, but just free is enough. And this is, wait a minute, I guess like this is my view. So I think like this. So it's perfect within my own view. Maybe a bit higher, wait a minute, like this. Something like that. This is in front of the motorcycle. This is a bit down. Okay. Just for fun, I'm gonna connect it to my power supply. Just for fun. See how it looks on the bike. This is so easy. It's so easy. Fall in love. So. Okay. Then I'm gonna put my power supply on the ground. Otherwise, with the cables, I'm sure I'm gonna drag it all the way. I think this. Okay, now power supply over here. Yes. Hoppa. See, it's connected to my phone. Up. Let's see. I think it's good. Hop. This 14 volts, 35 meter above sea level. At least these say. But this is nice, hmm? Yep, for me this is great. Yes.